Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us on Daytime Updates. Let's bring you other news we're tracking. Alleged KPMG fraudster Fidelis Moema has changed his lawyer, citing conflict of interest. He made a brief court appearance alongside two of his co-accused before the Johannesburg Commercial Crimes Court sitting in Palm Ridge. They face charges of fraud, theft and money laundering after allegedly pocketing more than 16 million rand siphoned off from the KPMG bursary fund. Newzroom Afrika's Veronica Makhoali has more.
The three accused made a brief appearance at the Palm Ridge Magistrate Court where their case was postponed to the 31st of July. Well, this is in order to allow the legal representatives to be furnished with necessary documents regarding the evidence put against them by the state. Now, joining us just to give us a little bit more details about today's proceedings is National Prosecuting Authority's spokesperson, Phindi Mjolondwana. Phindi, thank you for your time. A postponement and a delay in this high-profile case. We did hear something interesting coming out in regards to the attorney for accused number one having been removed from the matter. Just some more details about that.
Indeed, yes, you are correct. The delays are due to the fact that accused number one terminated the mandate of his now former lawyer and appointed a new lawyer. So on the previous occasion, the matter was postponed for the state to disclose the content of the docket. So unfortunately, that could not be done because we have indicated as the state that that work is done by our administrative department, and we requested them to send emails requesting for the copies of the docket. Once all emails are received from the different attorneys, then only the administrative department will be in a position to make copies for them, or also once they have paid, because they also have an obligation to pay for those copies. So once we receive payment as the state, then only we will be in a position to furnish them with the copies of the docket.
We spoke last month about the process of the investigation and perhaps even possibly attaching Mr. Moema's assets to the asset forfeiture unit. Where are we in that regard?
We can confirm as the NPA that our asset forfeiture unit has been roped in. Advocate Dube has furnished them with all the necessary documents. So we believe that that work have already started within the unit itself.
Absolutely. And, obviously this case, you've also indicated very amount of times that there are certain business people, certain close relatives as well that are linked to the accused. Where is the NPA in regards to their investigations?
Well, we can confirm as the NPA that investigations in respect of the people of interest that we're looking into has been concluded, and there will be new developments. But unfortunately, as the NPA, we are not in a position to divulge much of those details.
Well, there you have it. NPA spokesperson Phindi Mjolondwana really speaking about where the state finds itself in the development of this case. You'd remember accused number one, Moema, siphoning about 16.5 million rand from the auditor firm. And of course, we are hoping to see where those developments that Phindi has spoken about will take us. For Newzroom Afrika on channel 405, I'm Veronica Makhoali at the Palm Ridge Magistrate Court in the East Rand.